Electronics production is the basic food of our rapidly advancing digital world, and we are a part of it. 30 years ago, we pioneered the aqueous cleaning of electronics. We have been pioneers every day since then, constantly pushing the limits of the possible. We are driven by the motivation to develop the good into the excellent. No detail is too small for us. Precision, longevity, and ingenuity are in our DNA. When we talk about quality, we mean our commitment to go beyond what is required, because quality is more than just a job well done. The factory of the future is intelligent, flexible, and networked, and it needs intelligent, flexible, and networked machines and processes. Wherever electronics need to be cleaned, we are there for you. The world is our marketplace. Some call us mechanical engineers. Some call us chemists. Some call us software developers. And some simply call us innovators. We call ourselves process suppliers. If it can be cleaned, we can clean it.